Can you run Windows on Mac OS?
Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we're going to install Windows 11 on a MacBook and test its performance together. Since I'm using an Apple Silicon MacBook, we need to use the ARM version of Windows 11. First, we open Safari and search for Windows 11 ARM to access Microsoft's official website. After that, we download the Windows 11 ARM ISO file and get ready to start the installation process.
The Windows 11 ARM ISO file has now been downloaded, and click on the option to create a new virtual machine and choose Windows from the Operating System section. To make the system run more smoothly and stable, I'm assigning 8 GB of RAM and 4 CPU cores. Next, we add the Windows 11 ARM ISO file that we downloaded earlier into UTM. For the virtual machine, I'm allocating 80 GB of storage and completing the final configuration settings. Finally, we give our virtual machine a name and save all the changes we made. Now we just wait for the VM setup process to finish. The virtual machine setup process is now complete, and we can start the VM for the first time. As you can see, the Windows 11 setup screen is now open and will continue with the standard setup options. In the Product Key section, we select I don't have a product key. Next, Windows asks which version we want to install, and we'll be using the Windows 11 Pro Edition. After accepting the license agreement, we continue the setup process. Finally, we select the 80 GB storage that we created earlier and start installing Windows 11. The Windows installation process is now complete, and Windows 11 is finally loading up. At this point, only the final setup steps remain. First, we select our region and choose the keyboard layout that we want to use. After that, we create a username and password for the system. Then, for security purposes, Windows asks us to answer 3 security questions before completing the final setup process. Windows 11 has now fully loaded, and we're greeted with the UTM Guest Tools window. This tool is very important because it helps the virtual machine run much smoother and feel closer to a real native system. UTM Guest Tools improves overall performance, display support, and the general user experience inside the virtual machine. So, we're definitely going to install it before continuing. After the installation is complete, we open the terminal in Windows 11 and check the IP address of our virtual machine. Then, we test the internet connection to make sure everything is working properly. We also use the winver command to check the current Windows 11 version and build information running inside the virtual machine. As you can see, Windows 11 is now running smoothly on the MacBook through UTM without any major issues. And that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.